Hello everybody, welcome. Now it's come to this today, starts school recipes. Absolutely can't wait for this. It's going to be great. So, I've set up a little system so it's fair. So there's no moaning, oh I wanted this done, I wanted that done. So let me show you what I've done. I'm trying to keep it as is, so there's no, you thinking, oh, he's done that a few different times, which I haven't. Let me see if you can see this. Right, excuse the camera work on this bit. There you go, got myself my phone set up. Start that up. And we're going to spin the wheel. So it's all fair. I've got all the recipes in there. Just the, what they're called. Just the dinners. Can you see that properly? Can you see that properly? Yeah, just the dinners. With the puddings, I've got a plan with the puddings. So I'm going to spin the wheel and we're going to see what we're going to do. Spin. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? It's going to be, not mac and cheese, Jesus. It's going to be fish pie. So we're going to be doing fish pie today. That's the fairest way I can do it. So I'll remove that one. And then the next time, we'll do the next one. So there we go, fish pie. I like fish, I'm the only one in the house who likes it, so that's going to be a bit of a waste. But, off to the shop to get the ingredients. I know, I'm dopey. Forgot to press record on the other phone so you can see the screen. But, that's me. I'm absolutely stupid at times. So, I've been to the shop. I've got all the ingredients. I've bought everything apart from milk, because we got, and black pepper. I ain't buying them again, because only that drinks black milk. No one else drinks milk in the house. Oh, put someone come to the door then. So let me show you what I've got. And we'll start preparing and doing what we do and follow the instructions. Right then, this is everything I've got. So I bought everything. Right, there's the old price. Quite expensive really. This was all bought from Aldi. £8.97p for the lot. If you want to see everything I've bought, there it is. I think the most expensive thing was the fish. Fish is dear, ain't it? Now they had no fresh fish. They only had battered. So I had to get frozen, so I got away from them to the cost of it. That was £3.19p. Best thing to do is get my menu open. Page 21. There it is. Potatoes. 2.5 kilo there. It says a kilo, so there's 2.5 kilo there. Knob of butter, which I bought the butter. The fish, as I say, I've just shown you. And 25 grams of butter as well. Flour, which I bought, I got some in the cupboard, but I bought that because I know I'm going to be needing it more. Milk, as I haven't bought. Spring onions I've got. Mustard I've got. Black pepper I haven't bought, and I bought the grated cheese. So first things first, it says preheat the oven, which I'm going to do now, and peel potatoes and get the potatoes boiling before I do anything else. So I'm going to do that first. Right, potatoes are peeled in cold water, they're on. They haven't been seasoned, it doesn't say it in the book. Say as per instructions. So we'll let them boil. Right, the potatoes are done, so I'm going to take them off. Hot. I'm going to drain them out. Scalded.
Out the way.
What's that away?
Yeah, it's okay now. No, you put your hands into the water.
I've just had an accident, spilt all boiling hot water over me. Killing. Be careful in the kitchen. Red raw, look. Look at that. It's burning. Knob of butter in here. And then mash away. Bloody useless I am, I tell you. Right, the mash is done. Seems a bit dry, and that does seem a bit like school dinners, to be honest here. If I can remember my school dinners properly, mash was a little bit dry. And I'm going to leave a few lumps in for nostalgia. Bit of black pepper. I mean, I would put a bit of milk in this to cream it up a bit, but it says not to, so. Just take my hand, I don't know if you can see that. Absolutely scalded all my hand, look. It's absolutely killing, look. I dropped the bloody pan when I was going to the sink to drain it. It's gone everywhere. All over my leg. And that's going to have to be, she's going to have to take care of me now. You know what us blokes are like, we'll have to put it on a bit. Right, that's that done. Oh, my bloody hand. Right, I got my fish, I chopped my fish up. It's there, move that bowl. I've got 25 gram of butter, like it says. 4 spring onions, 25 gram of flour, 400 ml of milk, and a tablespoon of mustard, and then just some cheese on top of the mash. So first things first, it says, get the butter in, so we'll get the butter on. We'll melt the butter. And then it says don't burn your hand, that's what it says. Melt the butter in the saucepan and gradually add the flour. Then the spring onions and cook for 1 minute. So we'll do that. Right, gradually add the flour. Bloody hand, man. Keep mixing. Add the spring onions. Cook for a minute. And slowly add the milk. So it says, trying to avoid any lumps. I think I'm going to get loads of lumps in this by the looks of things. Well, that's just starting to thicken now. It took a while, to be fair. So now I'm going to stick the fish in. $400 grams of fish, move that out of the way. Wash my hands. And a teaspoon of mustard. So it says, get that in. So we'll get it all in. Now just get it all covered for a couple of minutes and mix away. To be honest, it's smelling nice. And it is smelling a bit like school dinner, to be fair. The smell you remember about 11 o'clock in the morning. I don't know about the mash though, it's a bit dry, the mash, and a bit clumpy. I suppose that's how it was at school, weren't it? Well, that's all done. Still a little bit runny, but what can I do? Well, I'm going to put it in the pot, in a thingy now. So I'm following the instructions. I don't add any more flour or anything like that. But it smells lovely, to be fair. Loads of fish. Let's get it all in. There's all that. Give it a shake. And we've got to get the mash on top now. So this mash looks a bit dry to me, to be fair. And I've left a few lumps in, that's just going to fall, isn't it? Might be a little bit runny that. I wouldn't have put so much milk in it, I think. I said ask for 400 ml, but look at the state of it. Look at the state of it. Open my cheese up. Let's grate some on. There we go. Looks a bloody mess. And I think that's everything. I think it just goes in the oven then. Top with grated cheese, bake for 25 minutes or until brown. That's it. As instructions. Let's get it in the oven. Right, it's done. My arm's absolutely killing me. I've got it wrapped in a tea towel in a minute, wet tea towel. Absolutely burning like hell. Now it's done. I don't think I've done too bad beans as I've done my arm in. So let me show you. I can lift it with my burning arm. There it is. Which I don't think it looks too bad, to be fair. But it's all about the taste, then it does it taste like school. I've got to try and get some out somehow with my burning arm. But it looks nice. Put a plate there. Try and cut some up. Nice crunchy bit of cheese on top there. Let me get my own stupid fault. I mean, I've got my oven mitts. Well, I picked the pan up with a tea towel and it got caught on these bloody things on the cooker here. My own stupid fault. Let's get some out. Ugh. Let's have a look. That's it there, looks quite nice actually. I don't know what the potato's going to taste like. As I say, it looked a bit dry. Let's get a fork anyway. And we'll give it a taste test. I've just took that off to show you. Look, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It's all there, and it's all there, all in my hand. Luckily I had my jacket on. And it only caught my hand because it all went over it up here. But luckily my jacket saved me with my hands, just my hand burning. I'm getting told off by Anna. She's shouting at me for being so stupid. Gotta put that cloth back on me to kill him. Kids shouting at me, everybody's shouting at me. Let's try this anyway. Oh. Let's taste it. School dinner, fisherman's pie. Let's have a look. That's really nice, but it's missing salt. Let me have a look at the instructions a minute. Sure it said no salt in here, didn't it? Yeah, no salt. It's missing salt, but is that because you're used to it more nowadays? I don't know. I can't remember, did you used to have loads of, I mean, what, 30 odd years since I went to school? But the mash tastes like school mash. A few little lumps for nostalgia, I suppose, which I've left in. But the cream's nice as well, the fish cream, or the milk, whatever it is. It's just missing a bit of salt. But as I say, I can't remember. I can't remember if the fish pie was salty at school, was it? Let me know. But there you go, I'm going to go because my hand's killing me. It's absolutely killing me. I think I caught it on camera, I'm not sure. I'll have to check. But it's burning anyway. Anyway, me and Nat all being good with my hand. We're doing puddings every Wednesday. But we want to live stream the puddings every Wednesday in the house if we can. So we'll see what happens there. Live stream cook the puddings like. And being okay this week. And let me know how many times a week you want me to do these recipes. I'm thinking probably twice a week maybe. Don't want to do it every day because it'll spoil it. Maybe twice a week. Because there's about 30 recipes I think or something. But anyway, I'm going to go because my hand's killing. So till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye. I'll have a bit more. Because it is quite nice. Just lacking salt. But is it because you're used to salt now? I don't know. I can't remember. Bye.